Are you there,
No, go on. We there all the tough, you know. Right now, the things are tomorrow, you know. I do, you know. To this strike, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Me I page everybody. No check. Man see after me done, you know. And check tomorrow, next people there more. Everybody knows that tomorrow are the day. Because long time we talk about it, but we not take no action yet. So tomorrow, we'll push out. Placard them down already. So when them things will go work, we walk out to the gate, unlock the gate and demonstrate.
Everything ready, man.
We have to make TV job to come to dance something. Because right now, money not run good. You see?
Yo. You know, say, I find a PG time they over money. And every Prime Minister come after that, they have to go over this, so them go over this, so them go over this. So. It took too long now, brother. Too long now. Too long.
Like you know, so that I think so. You know. So tomorrow.
Yeah, man, let's side something. Them will be too long now. Too long.
Our women are just left.
My friend. Co-worker.
Eh? So when come boat?
You know, say, around PG days, we raised up here. And until today, much Prime Minister, much administration change over. Just a change, a go to a change, a change, a come back. So we organize a strike.
Oh. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do not do it. If you know what best for you, leave a strike. Because I need things, I need. And if I go for a strike, I don't have nothing to get. Prefer you work with the little or not where you get from now.
We've been years since them women. So what we going to do? Yeah? Because you have a strike. Yeah?
How you mean? See, I mean, if you tell me, say, when you go on strike, who go mind you? Or you go do sit down, and what me go name? I wait me go lose, and get maga down. X-mark this spot before me, them tell us, I'm X-man, from me left for me, I get fat. When I go to start get maga now, make you see things now go on for me. You can't go on strike. You can't go on strike.
You know what? I'm talking about it.
That's if you don't agree with me.
Yeah, man. So basically, we set up everything. I have a speech, I'm think I want to say. The placard them down a workplace. So tomorrow, bright and early, when them things we go start the shift, we go start the demonstration. Everybody's about to them placard. We go to the front of the gate, walk off of the work. Like everybody did it, we just pick up the placard, go to the gate and start the demonstration. We need to get more money. But my one I got to meet you, man. She eat good, but like certain things she can't get to do. You understand? She want you to come and look at something she want to do her hair, she want to do her nails. I know some them type of woman, them take her up, some want anything what she used to get. She get them things there. One, we can make you save a little bit of money, put on one side for a rainy day. We not going to save so much money because we're not making enough money. And you know that too. We have a few whole people them to take care of. And some of the time you have to give her things same way. So you have to turn up for this at all. Everybody else ready. You ready?
Me a bridging long time. Anything you say, me say. Me ready. We office strike, then now pay we good.
Where you say ready?
Me ready, me I go do it.
Alright, so you say ready. So tomorrow, bright and early.
Yeah man, me ready man.
So me I go me out now, but nice my woman. Because she want to do her ear and something from what day. I tell her, so she will get her ear do. So if we demonstrate properly, she can get everything what she want. Because I'm going to raise the pay them. That's what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's my thing right now. So that we'll do, that we'll do. So I go me yard, go eat some food, rest off, and plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big day. Call everybody and tell them that tomorrow is a big day. Call them. You have all them number, call them. You understand? And we should everybody on the same page. Because without everybody, it cannot work. You understand? Alright, so do what you have to do. So tomorrow.
Alright.
Just a come from the edges, you know. You like it? Me can't really pull it from the front because me wait till the glue kind of dry. Boy, me trust the wig for 125,000. The girl take 3,500 to put it on. You know must know it total. My man don't really care. No, my man, as in come from work today, I pay him. I just have to put out my hands and tell him, say, may I go more and pay you just a lady.
You know, you must stop just things and put for the man bill. When I date you, I'm going to lick you down. Watch.
You want woman, so you must fix up woman. Me can't look like you worse. Me can't look like you worse.
You can't look like girl. You can't look like the worst. Somebody's son got to pay.
Alright, that is it. I'm take me from good country. Yeah, me up here and promise me give me everything. I'm here do you want to do, I do it. I'm nails left to do. And you know, impossible if after me left after 5 4, I go do my nails too. You're lucky.
You're very lucky. Pretty woman they want. Pretty woman they must maintain. That is right.
Wait there. Me a call her back. Cause you look like you might come. Yeah.
Alright. Come up quick.
Good evening.
Today was a hard day, a rough Friday, that Friday, yeah. I tell you.
Tired.
Man, I tell you, what about things going today?
Like what?
After me and everybody in the workplace agree that we go stand up and talk to the boss. Because the money we get paid don't make no sense. Right? My shoes pop out for me at work. Look here. Pop
What
out for
cause
me.
this?
No,
My God, she's too much up on the bed.
Cause all. So many people them plan say we go to talk to the boss. When we stand up now and start talking to the boss, we have them disappear. So from the start, I can't stop. So I tell the boss, say, you keep your work. The brother down my yard and sit down and find something else to do more than a work in this slavery place here. So now I quit the job, they then pay me up. I look at money coming a long time, I not get no big payment. For 10 years, they want to look at change them give me. So they give me a second check.
See alright differently?
Apart from that, you come and see and I'm alright.
So you can go all our fresh and give a massage, a nice massage.
No, that sounds good, but I'm not serious if I'm doing it because I'm tell me stress.
That's what in my mind, because I'm kind of upset for no one say, after me and them don't make a plan. Because if we all always stand up together united, we can achieve so much in our country. If we all always say, because we alone can do work, much would have, much longer that take to train back next week for them to start the same work. The business would have lose. So if we all stand up one time, we get where we want. And just me alone did I talk to boss.
So why you play hero? We can never wait till somebody else talk first.
But me and them make an agreement. Say, what are we going to stand up?
You should have talked till everybody else, yes, somebody else talk first.
Alright. We good though.
So what we are going to be?
It's not the end of the world, So we go figure out something. I want to do our work. And time I done work, I get paid. I want to take care of you, I want picnic. I want some kids.
I'm going to talk about till kids.
No, but me I said, I cannot breathe you in this situation
Oh, I'm glad
when the money not so sure.
By the time me get pregnant, still I start use gas. Because me now I'm pregnant in a situation, so we have to be extra careful. Because me bit enough to suffer.
It not going to take so long. You know what I mean? I have a plan, I have a plan. And if it come to the test, I may have to dump somebody down a river town, it go happen. But I have a plan. It may be dangerous. But
the system I left me no chance and no choice. But me have two plans. One good and one bad. One happy and one sad. So anyone work out first, go work. But me have something in mind. Two way. Good or bad.
But that was the foolishness, you know. Let's say go to sit around police go lock you up and me alone I go there. You have to be careful where you talk, say waves. Because you know, say, in neighbor always listen next thing, sit and go out and run the cut and they say you. You can't pray so. We know, say, time hard, but me there for you. Always I go there until I get a job.
Me know where I say still. But I want life to live. I mean, I tell them, I don't like live that way here. One life to live. But anyway, I like your hairstyle. Because I left this man here having a hairstyle. I like it.
And I'm not going to tell you, boy, you know, babes. I'm good on a 60 since they got just that hairstyle, you know. And at 26,000. So I don't know you go manage or you go pay for it. But me look good, don't it?
You look good,
Don't
fit you?
look good.
I
I'm
like
glad you want money.
love the hairstyle. But unfortunately, you have got beat for one night. They call Trixie and tell her say, you can't pay for it, but she take it back. Or she go give you even a couple months to pay down for the installment, to pay my little money now and then till you pay off. Because I'm not gonna jar the last money to pay for hairstyle another one time like this year. Maybe stressed today and I don't want no bad vibe energy. I love your hairstyle, you just smile with it and pray for tonight. Tomorrow please can go get back in hairstyle and just no sauce for you there. Me give everyone $3 grand you pay for work time, but the material will be the year, then we keep the year.
What kind of disrespect that be? Boy care about ear glove and everything, so me happy pay a girl for ear. Me not like them the style there. You just make me get, you just piss me off you now. Me not care about your ear. Me feel look good, you know? Giant money man and fix me here. We think about it food later. We have food that can supply for 2 weeks.
Alright. We know that you care more about your reputation than the actual situation. The situation is not an easy one, you know. So you know what me gonna do? I will pay for the hairstyle, but you have to know, say, you have to go ban your belly. Because I'm going to do a budget for what we're going to spend that means they can last week till money come back in hand. So you have to make a choice now. Either your ear or the food. Which one you want?
Food.
The food?
Yes.
Alright then, so I'm go up on the road, come up page and to somebody here, because then sell me out. Even Marcia, me and her talk to everyone, I will say yes, we got something to the boss. And me alone take the fall. I don't kill them, you know. But I have to give them a peace of mind. When I feel now, it's a good thing I have a gun. But I not do them nothing. But pay them and talk to them.
Be careful, but you road look like you know time around.
Go forward.
God almighty.
Hello?
Trixie,
Yeah?
you know something about care about here, do I?
What do you mean care about the year?
My husband just come home and he losing. Yes, but my husband just come in and losing work, so we don't have to pay for.
Girl, don't make me kick in your back. I need my money to make here. You, as a person, I know you have spent a long time. You always have touch on some money for your man. So go in another place there and take up my money, dig up my money, and share my money for give me business and business. I need my money. Friend can't come in a business.
So you can't give me like a time to pay for it little.
No, I can't get no time to pay for business and business. I can't put friend in my business. I know you have it. Why you trying to go around me?
But I hungry money me have. My man just losing work, you know, girl.
See me, pay for me here, and then you can pick up from one and left hand. But now put me here on my business in a that. I don't want to hear about that.
Alright then, me okay come give a man in.
Thank you, man. Nice doing business with you.
Me nah come back to your place and come do that here for so you behave. Look more.
Alright.
Marcia, what really happened to them, Marcia?
You know, say everybody, they tell me, say, them know in a striking thing. Because who not complain say they have bills to pay, they have picnic figure school and all kind of things. Who not know, who they complain, say they have food in, they not know food in their house, who say they don't go have little bit of food in their house. Let me tell you something, but you see me personally, you know why me no come do it, because I know me have virgin, I have friend. God know me did want to do it, but when me look back and see how me have so much things to do. Remember say 10 pitney me have, you know? 10 pitney without a daddy. Me no know me end up in a that they look there, but none of the daddy they not stand up to them pitney responsibility, and I'm me one and God alone in this. Me alone. So you know say every minute they hungry. Me have to put out all my best to give them all what me no have from what me have. So I'm sorry, you know. Me are bridging, sorry say me never join in with you because me understand it pay no good, but me have to just go and work with it. And not do me name and do it. I just show me have so much responsibility. You understand me? The picking them alone for them problem will kill me because me can't manage and me one. That's why me never join in with you. And me sorry. Me sorry for years that they fire you. Because me never want them fire me. Because if they fire me, who will go help me with the youth them? Me not nobody to help me with them. And that's why me not do it. So nobody have me your feet, man. Me and still friend.
Have up is a every word, you know, but I'll show you something. Why me never get the memo? So everybody have problem. Everybody have problem. But if everybody stand together, we will achieve, because they can't fire all a week. At the same time, they can't fire all a week. So if we would have stand up one time, we would have get the raise of pay and would have get the benefits them. Or even your 10 people would have benefit from. More money and more money for you, more money for everybody. You know what I mean? Because the company is making the money and they want to keep it. So when I want somebody alone stand up, that's why they fire me alone. Because they want to say I'm me at the bad apple in a bunch then.
That's true.
You know what I mean? So if we would just stand up and stick together, we can achieve things. You understand? We can't cover down. The world is what it is, you know. And but the one left the world for a long time still. Because if 10 years, I mean I can buy one good pair of shoes for my shoes.
But between no call, you saw come on, watch it.
You understand? So me I look into it and I say, yo, me need to find something different. Because money there, you know. Money there in a country, because when Mrs. them can find much million US, one place. That means say money there. But just have to get myself in another groove to get some other money there. So that I go work on now. Now that I get the time, I focus on that. I not jump in and no more 9 to 5 work because I not get pay and work every day. You know what I mean? Because if I work, I can't hard. I have a nice girl on my yard. You think I want to propose to her and give her some picnic? When I look on you have a picnic them, I can't feed them some of my time. And at them thing they motivate me if you know say yo, I want some other life, but I want the youth them, but I want them happy and alright. You know what I mean? So that's why I push out the effort. It's either let's push the effort of we getting proper pay. Because if we get more money,
it can solve things. Because more money, more opportunity.
That's a true, man.
You understand? More money, more opportunity for everything we are doing. And that's the problem. We now unite, we now sit as one stand up, everybody else step back. Everybody upon one man to be the hero. And it can't work that way there. If I saw, we're not going to go nowhere as black people. As a people, we're not going to go nowhere.
You know, say true, yeah,
we're not going nowhere. So right now, my man down a yard. Latest hairstyle I've been, and I'm going to keep back here and give people them now. And to know him is a hard-working person. And me can't afford to buy my woman one ear. You know what I mean? Yeah. Looking to how that make me feel as a man in this country. You know, so I could have taken up a gun a long time and flat out some people. I could be on the #1 wanted list.
You know you not do that?
No, I tell you, I could have been. But we just travel with the goodness and I try to make things better. The system forces you to do a lot of things you think you would never do.
Yeah, tell us something. You see, any you get no work, me and your friend, you know, although I never join in with this video. But you have to understand my situation. Any you get no work and things are going this up, make sure you tell them say you know somebody they can do that. Because I want to come work for you. You understand me? That's why I want me picking them suffer although they not pay me for it.
That's not a word, man. I don't have you up, you know. I don't have you up. But even in the man before me do it, me and Pete the same place I say we go striking and we start organize up. I'm in Daja. So I'm more page next and talk to him about phone. But here one now, I go on the road, but I tell you, black people have a problem. That's all.
What? X-month is fine. X-month is fine.
Babes.
Baby.
Say no one no say. The man who organize the strike, babes. Go strike.
Yeah.
But me never did it yet, you know. Go strike and the boss fire him. It's a good thing is me never strike. You know, say come like say I really profit with you.
Somebody didn't tell you. Never tell us say you do it.
But me I say oh, the man go link with this man and I say alright, me I follow. And then when we go, everybody else can support the man. And him one go they go do it. And he fire him.
Same thing. You see if they did fire you, me would have fire you too. You don't know who would have hire you.
I mean, you must say
Would have
this.
fire you from the
You must say this still work enough. It still work. Never depend strike.
it work, but something else work behind there because we can't suffer. Me, now go sit down and suffer.
Just hurry up and come out, man, because I want to get some to celebrate not being fired. I need some.
Come in, darling.
You think I say stop smoke, squirt?
If every day you stress me, don't you stop some more.
How me stress you out now? Talk to me now, babes.
It's what we can do, sit down. When can I go to work?
You can go work, you know. Because when you come down here, I take care of you. But the work now pay properly. Me I work at the same place for over 10 years. And see them stop work for 6 months. I'm a broke. It don't make no sense. We can't continue on that right now. Me I try to find a better way where me not have to work so hard and make more money.
Better you make something more than nothing at all.
Alright. You ever go on now?
Have a local bridging we have one little pawn shop, right? Me go talk to him, you get a work in the pawn shop. You take your time to do that. Me know I'm focused on that focus on. You have to believe in me, no? Just believe in me. I'm gonna make things change.
So make you not go to the pawn shop to work. No, you're a man, you have to be the breadwinner.
You don't know, no? What you have to look into, you know? Me I try something bigger than more, bigger money. But you're browning, you know? You're browning. I know say you want what you want. I'm going to give you what you want. So working for a man at a minimum wage salary will not provide the life for me plan in my head. That's why I see me take a step on that. Me quit from working the 9 to 5. Now the hustling will pay off 10 times better than that right now. You understand?
What you talking about make no sense. You want to do me here, me can't buy fish again. Yeah, Rasta, make you sometimes you feel like a pot, like a little pot, me can't cook in my house, nothing at all. You take this thing for?
You know, so you talk to me now. I neighbor them, I listen, I'm thinking about listen. Come here, come here, come here.
Neighbor them here say you want this to you.
You know, see, I take you from the bottomless pit, right? And I show you love. But I realize, sir, you have a little touch of ungratefulness, right? Because ever since lately, even when I make love, you realize, sir, you're not moving like how you used to since we stopped work, right? I said, believe in me.
Me tired to tell you, source of love cannot full belly. And talk tell me about me ungrateful. When me have sex, me must move away. Me can't have sex for hungry belly.
What you call hungry though?
Me hungry because you know me hard to feel because me eat enough. And you have to give me one look at this, one look at tin and mackerel. What kind of style that? Me not used to that, man. You take me from the bottomless pit, but when me did the country, me have every good food for it done there. So it makes sense that you make me stay a country.
Remember first time, when I just come here, man, the amount of food where you get to eat, yeah, you catch niggeritis, you just sleep every day. 6 months now since we stopped work because I realize, say me I waste my life working in the Babylon system. Because I can't go provide for you. What if I breathe tomorrow morning? Because you see, money when I make working the 9 to 5, the $7,000 and $8,000 only can buy food, that can buy food for the month properly. Me have to hustle between them times. So I waste time I work for the 9 to 5. But I have some faith now what me I do, I'm not a fool, you know. You might see me as suffer, but I'm not a fool. A lot of people in this country, they are brilliant people, but they're still suffering. Because this is the country of sufferation. They set it for me to suffer. So it's a 1% people is going to survive in this country. Check around. Check how much great youth lose their life because them try the wrong road. You understand? But if the country did set better, we'd have things better. Because when we work, we don't get paid. Look on the news, somebody how much people are a strike. Everybody a strike. But they are not brave. They should be striking from a long time. That means that the thing when they're in the right place, they will never change. But me now in I pretty work, like the pretty money that when I carry on no value. Me I try to figure out a work way. When we work, we get money. So I can change things. You want them things about you now. You want good, you know that for run. So what if you would go do one little work in the meantime and now, and when you do little work in the meantime, me program for program, and 2 we go, we are fight fine now.
What we can't understand is, yes, people are strike. Some of them are craving like you, you know. Because you strike for work, you know, get shit in you. So how you feel say you strike for work too? You have to take a little way you have until you get bigger your work on the side. But you know what? You talk facts in some things where you talk in other sentence. But here, I go look at work. But when me get to work, if I want to me can take care of just me can take care of. So make sure you look something to do on the side too. Because me a woman, me want some whole heap or something. Yeah man, you don't need a lot of things. Because you're not chim. You know, do none of that for me. I have to do my ear, my nails, my toe. I have to buy clothes to go back to work. I'm just a tell her from now. So you still need to go out, hustle on the side, and look something to do. I go hustle for myself. You have to hustle for it 2 away.
The little or nothing is what I've been working for. And that make me, as I quit now, I know nothing.
You need to left out of that place too.
I'm glad how you realize. So if you can find a work where really can take care of you, that's okay with me, you know. Because reality, we don't need much, really. So as long as you alright, me alright. As some see it, you know. More that you eat, more than me eat, you know. As some say, you know. You understand? More that you suck, more than me suck, you know. You understand? At all times, more that you go forward. Because I want the best for you, I take it from people in place. It's my responsibility to ensure that you're alright. So my time, only thing I can alone we can buy and them thing there. I'm going to say you eat it, but you make up a face same way. But you know left. And that's a plus still. But I don't want you to smoke too much cigarette and associate yourself. You know what I mean? You know, if I don't feel good. You know what I mean? I try some different things. I try the gambling, no work. I try this, I try that. But we are said to me too, it makes sense. Now I try to find a little thing to do on the side. Me and me focus on the big thing. So if you are work, that will be good. You could help back up yourself. That means say, you know what I mean? We can survive it. We tour a night together, you know. Yeah. I take a foreign country for a reason, you know. And more make a life with you. More if I get pregnant and baby are coming now, we don't have to live in a tenement with no bag of neighbors. Every time we have sex, you want to make one load nice, you have to come up your mouth and put it on a pillar. You know what I mean? More you can feel free. You can go farm in my backyard and then we there because every life I want to live. I want to live a Jamaican dream. You know what I mean? It's not set for it. So I don't really feel saying me do want to suffer. I never want to suffer. And I never want poor. You know what I mean? But I just, I don't know if it's a curse or something, or it's a way them set it. So it's not really my fault. So let's just make up. Can we go somewhere? You want to go to the beach? Want to walk down to the beach? Or you want to go to sightseeing? Because I don't like it so sad vibes, man.
You have money? You want to go on the beach?
Well, a while ago, I come find 1,000 on the road, so I'm just not one of it. So you can go on the beach and buy one ice cream or something.
Look where you're going to find money on the road. Make you good.
Well, I wish I did more. I wish I didn't want to share or two. You can defend something, can get your ear done and bag of things and, you know, make you smile. Come love to see smile. Smile for me. Smile to smile.
No touch you.
Smile to smile. Let's go on the beach.
Come on. Oh, we find one work.
Yeah, man. No, I tell you, never work line up here already.
Me not work this so. Just a pray for me find one big responsible man or woman.
Check out the work first before you get just for one.
Me not work at the one. really thank you for carrying me up and get ice cream, you know. But you don't have it, you know, so you should do. And I feel like I should have carried you and get ice cream. Should save them money, yeah.
I just $1,000 fine, so don't worry yourself. The big things go up, you know. Stop worry yourself. I know where I say be able. But let us enjoy ourselves. We find look at $100, look at $1,000. It's a good find. So I'm glad to enjoy the ice cream and things. So when we go home later, we fix up anything we do. We find something like that. Because we're all surviving. You see, bright and early Monday morning, when you start work, we go find some S1 also. So I mean, say, at the end of the day, we know what to find now. But if when I work and I know something big, I can't say much, but I tell you say something big. You understand? So what you have to do now is just do what you have to do.
And like when I buy ice cream tonight, you know, we just want the shop. Just open up the shop.
But the ice cream I'm going to run from belly by later.
No, we say we go cook. I'm opening up back shop later. Because it's not run good.
Alright then.
Alright?
Something we can go on.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You can ask her 2 questions, you can ask her, man. No question she can't answer. Yeah, man, but she can't come in today. Enough respect, my general, man. Enough respect, you know. Girls go for me, you know. You know, say the place, you know, you're not going to pay her. Like big, whole heap of money. But that she can go and meet, man. She can add, subtract. Yeah, man, she know there's something, man. She can read and write. A brain girl, man, a brain girl. She might look a little bit like a hot girl, but she got to school and she learned. She never just pretty done. She understand, a pretty bright girl. You understand? Talk to her, man.
Hello, good morning. Yes. I'm 23. From what time to what time? 8:30 to 10? Can't work that late. Okay, the closest time is 6. Yes, I can work with that. Yes, what will the pay be like? 7,000 weekly? Okay, I'm gonna get ready shortly and come in. Alright.
You look a bit, you know, but you can't go and fill up a gap. I ain't have paid transportation. I have 2 bad link on the road, you can't get a job by taxi. You give them money. You know what I mean? Don't worry about them. I get a bicycle tour you got work some time. So know about transportation. Alright?
Me need to tell me ready to run and talk to people. Me not ready yet if you not work. Me here not do nothing. How me I go manage? You can't do things, so you not even talk to me. Be this too sudden, you know?
I know still, no worry about that. Kind of sudden, but that's a life. Things happen to my time. But say I have a good opportunity. Up. I never target say go up on the beach.
What me I go do to me ear?
Wrap up your ear. You walk. Just wrap up it. Remember I said this something I'm finished PF, you know, the ear there last a lifetime, you know. You can always put in the ear the back. Just put on the back and tie wrap around it. Me say do that enough time when I check a family. When the family might come, I know my things look so bad. They do that, when I do that, see me and get and do your work. You understand? It can't work, man. Me still I got grown up. Me have something I come through, you know. So a serious thing I come through, so you might try the good part at first. You understand? But some things that come true. You believe in me, right?
Of course.
Alright, just go do that work there. You know about the place, right? Alright. Go send them bike taxi, come pick you up and carry exactly part of the go, right?
Bike?
Yeah, man, don't worry about the bike, man. You see it, you just go right slope on the road, alright? Me assist you, go with it. Just suck out tongues up.
Oh, my business.
It's Mr. Blackwood talking. Yes, I call you to inform you that you have won yourself a big prize of $2,000, and in order to claim the prize, you must pay $3,000, $999.90. Hello? Hello? Hello?
morning.
Morning too.
I mean, for your sense.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah. You have ones. Yeah. Mr. Blackwood. Yeah. You have won something. Act surprised, no. Act surprised like you won something. Yeah. There you go. Yes.
You have win $2 million, and to collect the $2 million, you would have to send me $3,999.99.36. Yeah. Hello? Hello?
What are you doing there?
How was it today?
How are you from morning?
How's the day I won Chapeline?
I'm tired. The place running now. The whole day to them stand up. I see them in my lunch and I don't get hungry.
Today I will do, I know say I work, so I cook some food. And today I just sleep with the bang up on my chest.
How will you cook?
I cook some dumpling and tin mackerel. I don't say to like tin mackerel, but no remember.
Too much tin mackerel, man. The amount of tin mackerel, I'm afraid I start swim. You could buy some fish or go to seaside and get some fish.
Yeah, nothing like that. You can't do that right now. I don't have no money to buy no fish. I mean, I have a patience with another go fishing. Right now, I chop a line. You go work out. But now, I say no man.
Your ambition too big. And that I can't take with you. I tell us you have to look something do. You can't sit down yourself. Do a little work. Chop a line on the side. And make more money on top of it. Because see, you chop line for the morning. And I come and you can't even send me a restaurant in the morning to collect a piece of tree. Not even $50 you get.
Well, I know say I want bigger things to eat. You know what I mean? But it's money not for that right now. I chop a line for the morning. On a joke, chop now. So then I chop, what make get a client and bingo. You all see you same one. So calm down, man. But if they go and try me look.
What about the side work? Look a little thing for the on the side now. Just sit down. Me come in hungry and kill me. What cook? Mackerel. Me thirsty. What we are going to do with the water? And more me drink 5 water can run my belly. So when me get me hungry, man, me can't. When me want close to buy it, we are going to work.
Calm down, man. Me know say you not drink pipe water, you know. So I'm go right round a Springfield today. Go get some water. So you can look on us when I blow job. You babe?
Me want good water, purified water, catching peak water. Me don't want that the water. And you don't want nobody talk to you that video. This is not work out for you. Look something else up on the side. Go walk on garbage truck.
Who say not work out? Me almost get a client today. Almost. Yeah.
You know, I go be but you talk no make no sense.
Don't go be man, because you smell sweaty. Come, go on.
Me not gonna say all day I stand up.
Yes, no, so now go and be then and stop talking, then and come eat the food.
You gonna tell me some smell so where me I come from.
Yes, and that me I say.
But you lie down from man. You be me come back and see and see them clothes, but you chop line.
Me a chop line for man.
And I make no money.
But no wait, you don't come on, man. When money make money, go on to. Go through.
And that's video, nobody know if it talk to you through your man.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, boy, I'm tired of it. Every time I call, you're going to be things. Miss, please. Me they are hungry, I try to line for money. Please, I'm begging you. Can you please send me even $50 or $100, please? I'm not I'm not at a good place. I don't want to do what I'm doing, but it's where I'm suffering, mom. That's what I'm trying. I don't want to take all of your money or anything. I would never rob you. I'm not scamming no more. You realize say I'm scamming. No, don't have phone, man. You must send man, send me your money, man.
help you?
Oh, I'm just looking for some tools.
Like what type of tools you're looking for?
Oh, I'm looking for tools like spanner, hacksaw.
Oh, alright. Come this way, let I show you. This is this section right here. Okay, so this is the spanner right here in different inches. This is the hacksaw. This is the handsaw. This is the pole saw right here. And you have the jigsaw.
Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna take all of them you have here, but anyway.
All of them?
Yeah, no problem. I'm just taking care of something at the back. Anyway, a beautiful lady like you, I like you, no?
So you just meet me and just like me, so?
I've been watching you every morning you come to work, but you doesn't see me. Cause a pretty girl like you definitely need in my mansion, you know? Come and rule my house. Come and control everything.
Oh, so you have a big house?
Yes, darling.
What type of work you do?
I buy shares. I have a company in the branch out all over the island. So that's how I work. So I would like to take you out so you can see what I'm all about. You know? You don't have to worry. There's no regrets.
Well, I'm mostly busy dealing with certain things. So, you know, what's the issue now? You can come here on my lunchtime. My lunch break is 12, so you can see me here every time at 12. We can sit and talk. You can bring me lunch. We also have a refrigerator over there that is stocked with juice. Yes, you can take it from there, and I can also give you my number and tell you when to call.
Okay, no problem, see. You said 12 o'clock you got lunch. I'll bring you lunch. What you want me to cook to bring for you?
Well, I would prefer mostly fast food because I don't know you like that to eat from you yet. Maybe I have a like chef or so cooking for you, but I don't trust people that much to eat from them. So you can get me a burger or some Popeyes, or you can get me some Little Caesars pizza. I would appreciate that.
Fast what?
Fast food.
Fast food?
Yes.
Oh, burger. Little Caesar?
Anyone. I didn't say a all. Anyone you can give me.
Don't worry about that. That's simple. That's a simple thing for me to handle. Trust me. That's what I want you. I'll give you bigger than burger. You can have lobster. You can have boiled. You know what they call seafood boils?
No.
Okay, well, that's why I tell you, come live with me, baby, no problem. Money's there.
I'm toning down a notch. You're moving too speedy and I have customers to attend to. So here what? So just give you my number and you take it from there.
Oh, you can call me Mike.
I'm Chantel.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Chantel.
No problem.
Wow. Wow, Chantel, you got it, girl. You got it. You're gonna be my #1 wife.
Have a nice day.
But one more thing I never remember. Are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
What I like. Okay, girl. Okay. See? I'm in love, girl.
Just have a great day now.
Okay, sweetheart.
And drive safe.
Okay.
Where car there? Make me feel warm.
No, what about that be? The car is at the garage. It's washing. You good, bro?
Yeah, me alright.
Like that, you know?
And thanks for lunch today.
Yeah. So, you know, say, come to think of it, I know you have a mom.
To tell you honest truth, yes, me have somebody attacking. But it kind of complicated and hard with him. Because in our work, he claims to say, him a chopper, no, me not see him come with a piece of food yet. And me, if I work and I take care of him, I buy up things for the house, I make sure I say JP is not lock off the light.
Scammer? Really? Let me tell you something about scammer. You see, if you love your life, you move out. A scammer would sacrifice you just to reach. You know, take out them people that boardhouse in a. Next thing you gonna take out somebody client and come bullet down the boardhouse. You already a job through it. Relax yourself. Find somebody in our class like me. You can't take up a chopper. A chopper will mash up your life. You can't go end up getting no pity either time. We sacrifice that just for riches. Take up a hard-working businessman. Yeah, in this chopper business. The funny board house and him saying what chopper, what kind of chopper that?
You know, she not lie I tell though. But where me I go? Enough things you do for me, but me really tired of this situation. I don't really want to stay in that situation there for so long. I'm tired of it now. But where me I go stay?
Baby, don't worry about that. We have mansion, pan top of mansion. No, because you see, I walk every time I tell her, say, yeah, the car, the garage, yes, because it have to wash. I don't want it to drive in a dirty car. Look at your brown and sweet. You have to let go this rust and chop too much. Next thing, you go and chop all pork. We don't want you to live them life. They want you to in me upstairs, cock up in my AC. We have hot and cold water. Everything, them things there for you. You're a good woman, I like you.
I go think about it.
No, I don't want you to think about it more. When you go over there, you just come to your mind, and when you're ready, you refresh
I
yourself.
think about him at the right time, I just right time. The same time I call you and tell her, say, me I come, just come pick me up.
Don't worry about that. Me I come pick you up. Just make sure we...
Stop here so do.
Why?
You can't follow me go ride in a place.
Why?
You know, don't know the situation. Me tell them I go deal with him and I link you.
You are going?
Me go deal with it something. Me go deal with it.
Okay, baby.
I go talk to you about it. So later.
Yeah. All right. Can't wait.
Later, yeah?
All right. I'm tired of hide and seat now. Woo! Yes, boy. Yeah. What a history I know.
Same thing over and over. Every day you sleep.
Tired man for last time I don't forget no rest man.
Oh, you be tired you now work. I suppose me ever see this somebody when now work now do not at all. Only thing you do is eat and sleep. But don't worry yourself. You still get sitting on hospital sorry one day. One day. Excuse yourself, man.
Hello, I choose, you know, see my work has been important. I'm trying to chop the line. There's nothing I'm going yet. Just give me some time, man. We get up yesterday, we clean up the place. What more you want me to do? When we used to run the place, we used to make everything alright. So if you're not too long since you start work, you're going to. But you still work for around 5 years.
You cook?
No, I never cook.
You don't know what you're going to eat today because my belly full.
Well, I'm not hungry neither. I'm going to survive. Now you come over up on it and so I'm going to catch up with them. But apart from that though, rest now get some rest, man. Feel that's true. Alright?
You need to break up your folly grounds. You can't live so every day you check out. Me I work good little while now and every day I come back in your sleep. I mean every day. And nothing I work out. You just lie down. And you're not pregnant. You're pregnant or you breed somebody come in. No, you're not breed me. You know what? I'm going to come here because you're right, lad. You know, see a time for me leave?
Leave? When me not say I'll leave, what mean?
A week now I'm alone. And you tell me say me to take care of myself or go and little things around me. But I'm alone, I feel supply whole household and I have to take care of you, I can't manage it. So me hear about a place to rent and I go just go there and stay. Or this don't make no sense. Then if you look something, do you chop in now work, the music now work, babe start work, but no, you better you make something and nothing, I can't do this.
Calm down, no, man.
Me calm.
No,
man, me have to leave. Me can't do this no more. And if you look something do, me not go stay with them no longer. Me I go to a place and work up myself, buy a couple of furniture, keep everything in your place. Because some me meet with you, me with a couple of clothes and that me I left with to start a life. Me can't manage it. But me wish you the best and I hope you find one job.
But one thing I said to you, because I promised myself for a long time, say I will not
hold you back. If you want to go, you go from go and where I go. But remember say, are you wrong? Because when I work, I take care of everything for you. If I send money to your parents, that's one thing when I have a responsibility to do that when I have money. So why as you start work for less than a month, you know, you start make money now, you start pick up flux. You want you go leave, you go rent your own place. So this was the intention from long time. Well, see you do it then.
That's why I don't like telling from people because here we go tell boss every pick up flux. Me have mango, me have worm. That's why I don't like telling not all from people. Because when me do a country good, you come and say me have to work, you have to take care of everything. Like we build up and you go help me up my own business. Not all, you don't keep up with the promise and you go say me. You talk like me ungrateful. Me not ungrateful, me grateful yes, but me happy leave. Me can't stay no longer in this situation here. And night time me place cold, is a drop in my head one night time me nearly dead. Me can't stay. So later.
Hello? Hello? You have one, so...
My house is kind of here. Yeah, look, not you. Why having a whole boardhouse? Look at it, beautiful. We carry in a garage. What you mean? Yeah, one now big, so not you. It's an Airbnb, rent near renty. Right now, only number 3 room available. And this some here you stay tonight.
So Olivia go live there?
Yeah, man, I'm here at the mansion.
Boy, backside.
Yeah.
Come. So you see up there?
You could have asked that. Run to your body like a Wi-Fi.
Oi!
Come on.
Ambience! Something special for you tonight. I don't know, boy. What? Ambience!
Come in, Abby.
Yes.
So place nice. Talk shows. Look here. You have a TV, TV. Yeah, man. What you mean? Firm bed, they're expensive, you know? Very expensive.
You got a bit of board better me job through it, my man. How about this?
I'm going to call them design, man. That's how it's TV. You know? Look at see bathroom, will be no outside bathroom.
Hey!
Yeah, man.
Look where you brought me from. Hey!
Yeah, man, take all the shower you want. Use all the warm water, no more cold water for your honey.
You going to come here? You don't want to come here with me?
One long time, shower.
You deserve it.
Yeah, my general. I'm getting a new client, you know. Right now, she downstairs. But yeah, no. Why we call you up there? You see her around me. For the meantime, I'm up here for the 2 days. Yeah. And she asked any questions and who want the place. Things on me.
Tell her say you own it.
What do you mean?
So you know the one there, sir?
We say, a rasta put out in woman. And we say, find out that you are there. Why rasta really put out that woman? I come to remind you, the girl loves wallows and vanity. She loves high life. I don't know what me live. You know, some proper life for rasta place, neither.
Chikar.
So we chikar. Cause you know you go. Chika, after you go. So what music thing about?
That one good, man, you know. I get a lot of feedback.
I mean, I'm like, see you on mute. So, why name it? Because right now, you can't tell me anytime soon, you know, you name it. So, just give me a name, tell her by yourself or matter of fact.
Name Puppy Dan Vivo, just type up on YouTube, you'll find it.
Don't worry, no, Jenna. We have to subscribe to you because you sing some good show, you know.
And my mommy, they are foreign, you know, and I'm here collect, you know, and she tell me, say, I have 2 days, you have to stay in there, so when the 2 days come, where you going to do?
I tell you the truth, you know. You see, when the 2 days come, all you have to do is knock her up because I'm not going to be here on the last day. You see me, you know, it's time where somebody always do them. Not so you see me always do them for you there.
They're real chicks, man.
No, man, none of that, man. It's not tricks, man. You see when the woman go on like they look too much sweet. The Rasta did it, I try to look at life in a tandem, man. But the man here see, so you see why I reach them. That's how you go.
So, you know, say, I tell you always to come back on these two. So, you don't go like that, I share the first. Just black car up, I don't miss this.
Alright.
I only hope she call me and know I can choose to live with me like both else. So we do it. But don't follow me still, you know, then I walk this life. Cause you see much money your mother collect. You could have did buy 2 sheets of black.
I'm Mr. Blackwood. Yeah. No, Mr. Greenwood. I changed my name. Yeah, I'm in your area to deliver some stuff. All right, one of my employees just come in, the supervisor's here, so let me call you back. Don't do nothing. Sit right side of the stone. Do the phone right there. Don't do nothing at all. Yeah. I'll call you back. Don't worry. Don't move from there, yeah? All if it's 10 o'clock tonight, this is a big winning. You're gonna win. You win, all right? You win. You're a winner. You're a winner. All right. All right, so call you back. Yeah, man. No, man, I try. I go hard. I told you I give them a no. Because I want them a beat and nothing now. One.
Say that been good yet?
Nothing on it.
Yeah.
Right now, my woman just gone away.
You mean gone?
She just pack up her things and gone because she has said, I'm not get no work. I'm dep on the line from morning till night. I'm dep on the line. She just start working. And me get the work here.
Yeah. And been good yet?
Listen, me get the work here. She should go work. So while I work on this year now, she can go and balance the bill them. Anytime I bingo, she bingo to, you know. She not see the maths, you know. But she can't wait. So she push out and gone. But my day still go on, I not stop it.
Yo, I saw your mother and woman then stay, brother. I saw they stay. Then they saw this minute, next minute they ain't gone. And they saw they ain't gone. Then go there so they ain't gone. Then go there so they ain't gone. I saw they stay.
So I go on to the work though differently. Me say we don't lose no work now.
Yo, John, how that? You need one think about it. I have him little money when I'm head pencil to do something, you know. And then they, yo.
So you see it, you better always stand up and strike same time. That's what them do now. Then carrying so you could train them, you could train them, then leg on as the old staff them now.
But brother, by the time you reach for the strike, you get fire and gone already. So I couldn't bother doing nothing again.
They don't go and bother still, but when they go and bang the line, yo, if we get the money and bang I'm going to teach you the game. And I'm being going to teach you that game. Because I think the money night. No, if you make money on time, I'm not catch you yet, but I catch you, I show you.
But brother, by the time you reach, you're gone already. And the people what did fit strike with you, they don't show up. So me just stay at work. I couldn't do nothing better. And then the manager come and tell me be things to, you know, dog. Me have to get upset down there to, you know, and tell him about, and then that's why they even fire me.
Babes, come here.
I run him away.
How did I call you? Who's the woman I call you?
Yo.
What can I say? Come now.
Yo, we link ya.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Yeah, me care a clap. Where be yourself? When can
What do you mean when me be yourself? For me have all right to be yourself.
But me have a friend that talk, you can't just come call me so.
The business boy, your friend. Me your friend asleep.
My girl, you can't talk to me so. And you see me do this with my friend. One to you, man.
Let me go. Don't talk to me so.
One.
We can't talk to you anyhow.
Wagwan, General.
Yeah, man, you are going. You know, so me see how you bang and thing. I have a little proposal for you.
Yeah, man, anything got chop a line enough and the money making ready, you know, you them hungry, you know.
You know, say, in my line of work, I drop off and pick up package thing me deal, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but at some liquor.
You know, I'm not chop, man, illegal.
Yeah, man, illegal thing. So, my youth, them, it feds them kind of used to them and know them. Some want some fresh face, like yourself, you see me?
And me, I want warrior work, you know, so feel face fresh too, you know. Because we used to work at one place and we get fair, so right now we are trying different way to make some money. Because money we want to make. For now, money, cash, we're ready.
Alright. So, wait, think you could take on it?
Yeah, man, we can't do it, man, because we want to make some money line that we are going to do at now.
Alright. So, here, I'm going to give you a contact and you show me and tell you where to meet up.
That sounds good enough.
Alright, so number 346 7280.
Alright, my daddy, what want to call you?
Yeah, man, Blacker.
Blacker? Alright,
Yeah.
Blacker. Alright, daddy, I'm check it for real, man. For the money making, ready for it, you know.
Alright.
Yo, enough respect, my general.
Alright.
This is our
Remember say you're not working and do nothing. I'm me the breadwinner right now. I'm late for work. I'm late for work right now, so I left some food on the fire. I'm going to go finish cook it and bring it to my bar and give me.
sorry that I come from.
Yes. But do it now because you're not working.
Me and chat before come to the chat and come back. You see what old man job, you can't manage woman sometimes, brother. Big man, you can't manage woman sometimes.
What go on, you know? A while ago when I got answer, you know. That's what I good news, you know. One bridging just think me a while ago. I know it's also you have something like some illegal stuff. Pick up some package and you can't search it, so take up and drop off and get cash money. No question asked.
Alright, and they say safe.
But illegal something, but illegal you know safe. Risky.
Yo, well anything in that, because right now, I want to move past it and get promoted again in life, you know, because I can't manage film style. I get family nerves. I done stress out already and he must stress me out again, because I can't deal with it.
Yo, so we're bridging sound, and like a 2 night, we go drop our first package, and say, as I drop our package, I get money. My house, every time in the house, safe and day. And mama left me, I don't like 10 night out. I would somebody, I stand 4 from the yard.
Yo, well, anything in that, right, I'm ready, you know.
What check him? I hear him, I call him, I hear him, I say, I'm fresh up and get myself ready.
Alright,
So tonight,
let me just finish the pan of food and carry out the mom and then you can serve shut me.
yeah man, that's good.
I know where you go.
Yo, you turn yard boy.
Brother, from me stop working on man, it come like a problem in my life, you know. So when I just be a stress, everything you want me to do, you know. Everything. We can't even talk loud again and anything. We can't even make him hear me.
Well, you are the lucky one, you know. Because the woman get fed up and gone. Since she start work, she gone, but for your woman at work, Anthony now a mama man, but you rough. Not it only that, we have to wash and cook and clean and all. And I used to be breadwinner, rough boy.
Johnny. Yo, but what's on man? Right now, I look at working on it. Because I need to left that place up here. I look at work. So, you know, I can stay some months and go to breakfast in paradise in February.
If we have money still, are you girlfriend and friends here?
Hello.
What go on, man?
Me I go work in the morning, I go in the house to sort out the food.
So that you go work?
Of course. You want to see all the battery that me have on under this and normally I forgot to see a bar me working.
You see all them disrespect you now?
Oh, you mean? Furthermore, don't no chattings with me. Me I go work right now, me late. And the man them they even want to see no flappy big woman in a bar. Me I don't big woman, me a young hot green girl. They want sexy girl in a bar, some make me money. You lose pay job, you know, you don't do nothing, you know. Me a breadwinner right now, you know. Do I have to do in the house and I give me a chat?
So I can disrespect you.
What, I have to take it, you know, option.
Yeah, I know I said bad. I know I said the thing. That's how we get. But it depends on what you're moving them. But the aspect don't stop with, you know. Demand. Yeah.
Alright. No worry, man. Me have everything locked. I'm just make it reach, man. No worries, then?
Yeah, man, because you know, if we don't get it to them, you know, then go find a different supplier. So that we don't have the time.
Alright. No worry, man. We can't afford for that happen because you see things kind of expensive, you know. Light bill gone up, water rate gone up, everything gone up, so we need some food.
Alright, so make you reach me an idea, yeah?
Alright. No problem. Alright, cool. What go on, General?
So there, man, ready for you know.
Yeah, man, ready and waiting. I'm General there, you know. What you talking about?
Alright, you are. You know run from the back road on top of the hill up there, so.
Yeah, me have an idea, Me have a number, man. Me call her when we reach nearby. Alright. Yo, I done that, you know. We do the drop off thing.
The drop off.
Yeah, man. Let him what day, man. The big man we have to work with. Illegal stuff. Right now, yo. You ready? I'll go on general.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man.
Yeah, man, I'm right on this, you know. I'm on the road.
Alright, that's all ready.
Yeah, man, we're back up some work down. Ready, man? Okay.
Alright, man, I'm going to drop off this.
Alright, so who forget it?
Yeah, man, Mark 1.
Mark 1 forget it.
Yeah, man. I text you direction so you don't miss. Zane?
Alright. Come on. Alright, boss. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You ever wonder why I bought another day?
No, we jump off.
Oh.
I get a look bad, you know. Wrong.
Right now, just money up, you know. Chop off a package, and then get some money. That's how they will chop.
True, man, cause right, I'm hungry, you know, dog.
No, that's the money thing, you know. Get some money, you know.
Hungry fat. True.
You have money, you know. More money, more option, you know. Let me call out while I'm up on the phone, right?
Yes. Hey, boss, you must get this. So call him and find out the location.
Alright.
Alright.
Where say I go on my general? Because I think I want one chop off and collect some money.
That was just a test, you know.
Oh, you can give me one bag, you know. You think I the other man with the chop off everything to me, know, say?
No, man, it's a female. I never remember to tell you, it's a female, man.
Where say this bag of go now?
I want to know if you carry it up lot 33, phase 2.
Yeah, me know them place. Man. Alright.
Yeah, man. So just deal with it and then let me know when everything's sealed. Zane?
Alright. So come on. Phase 3 we are going.
How far we are going around?
I have an idea, man. But, what talk for it? Hello? Yeah, we just have a pass Pink House. Or the next turn in front of the field. Where Avan? Pink and Jean. We are forward. Yeah, that's she, man. We can't sleep for now. Are you figuring money?
No, you have to pick up the money down at the gas station.
Yeah,
Your
man.
boss.
Yeah. Let's go to you and tap ramp and run the ramp when you come to work, you know. We don't know why night, we don't know why night. We don't care about that. Alright? Real boss, everything go through.
Alright. So, when you come round, man, because you know we can't do transaction out of do. No come in. Alright, so you are going here now. Job well done. I know so this is a beginning of something great, see? So, I'm going to just pay you now. So that's the first set of payment. And so the next set of payment you get, you want to stop, walk and deliver. Now you can buy car. Zin?
Alright, that makes sense, man.
Alright.
Alright, no respect, see?
Yeah, man.
So show up, man. Anything we drop off anyway, we're ready, you know.
Alright, that's what then.
Come on.
Browning.
Oh, if you come to my man place, you can't do that. I'm here, BL. How you want? How you?
Look here now. You see, man, I can't stay here, so I'm a film place. That's my mother place. My mother, they are foreign. And I'm a control. They are 2 days rent for so the time up and down.
Yeah, idiot. I'm a man place this. Take enough time and open to call police for you. Come then you come intrude the place, so. What are you?
Look here now, Browning. I'm not going to talk long enough, but just call the boyfriend and ask him.
And that may go do because you pass bride. Mills. Me see when you come in here and say, me must come out that place. Where you mean Papa can come? You do what? So they just start telling me make people come here and embarrass them out here. Alright. Yeah. Sorry, I hear me never know. Let me come out. Me I go change and come out. Give me 5 minutes.
Baby.
I wish party house there.
No worry about house, man. Let's see when I reach, baby. Let's come on.
But the grass them I scratch up my foot.
Just relax, man.
Sure.
Step over there. Step over there.
Lord God.
Yeah? Come with it. Step, man.
Me tired, man.
Just relax, my honey. I am move, sir. Yeah? I am move, sir.
Did you cook? Cause me hungry.
No, I'm not cook, but I can't hard or something, you know. You want bullet bag food.
Huh?
Don't worry about that, man. Oh, yeah, you know. Yeah. Watch your courage, baby. Watch your courage.
Courage? Yeah. What name, sir?
Something like, a leaf.
Alright. Alright, babes. You're not used to this, you know? Don't used to this.
Baby, where you go? You're past the door.
Up by house, the house there.
Which house? Which house?
What house there?
I know my mansion, that's my little mansion, yeah.
Don't be foolishness. April 1st gone a long time. You think you can fool me? Come now, babe.
B, I'm my little mansion this year. Where you go? See you something. I'm my house.
Someone could have left me life. It is so hot. And come here, so come live.
Tell me what's wrong with you.
Me love you. Me like you, matter of fact. Not even love. Me can't tell you so do.
You love me. And me can't go show you where me live.
So why you did lie to me in the first place?
Sometime in life, when you see woman love vanity, you have to tell them lie.
Did I give you that impression?
Look for Rasta, if you left Rasta with the job to whole house. What you that do to me with me lean house?
Me do love Rasta very, very much. You know why me left Rasta? Because Rasta never had a try. He never had to go work every day and get up say much happy and me could bother. He never have no intention to go work. That I hungry when me step out left him. So now come care Rasta name in that. Me sorry, me can't work with this. Which one must walk go back work? See him where? The see him where?
Take you through the bush.
No, excuse me. Excuse me.
What you do?
Excuse me for me have to take the black and lick out your face. Excuse me.
Mama, me love you, baby. Love you. Love you. Love you.
In money where you take Gaville and something to impress them and take it fix up your players. Do better than that. And that me I run from, man, without ambition. Have some ambition, man. Uncle. Uncle! Come here 1 minute. Nothing. Me that one day me could have gone and stay with you until me work myself to get me one a place.
So what is the problem?
You know, say me and my boyfriend left and me want someone to stay.
You can stay here, man. But for the day, though. When night come, you have to go left.
What you mean? You and me uncle, you know?
My rule. When night come, you have to go left.
Alright then. You know, nothing can give me feed because I'm kind of hungry.
This saloon in there, you know.
Animal crackers? No, sir. You know, nothing to drink.
What kind of pipe? I'm telling you, if you have one little small passage back room there, so they say I stay till night come. When night come, I eat that. So, have your way. Adios.
Alright.
Let's board you can play something or something.
Play some song now.
Oh, you know something have my Bluetooth now work. That's why.
So I plug in the USB and play some music. All the vibes.
You look so sweet.
Thank you.
Are you single?
Why you ask?
Because a beautiful girl like you definitely must be taken, you know. Trust me. I will take you to my mansion, you know.
I'm good. I'm good. I don't want to go to my mansion. I'm well alright. Me already have a man. I'm soon get the sham.
Listen, talking about you having man. Oh, come on, you don't know me? You don't know me? I'm Ricky Jackson's son. Give me a rum cream. Let me drink.
Hot or cold?
I need it hot, man.
How's it going?
So, let me tell you something. Come in and tell something name.
I don't want your, I don't care, sir. I have my man already. See, I'm a man, see, I'm a boyfriend.
Mm-hmm. It's a boy that.
But boy, it's happy nice, man. You know.
Boy, yo, I'm a big man.
What you call?
I'm come call to you. Go on running when I come back. Show them who we is. Big boy in the area. Murderer.
Where you there, so? Where you come out here for? Where you come out here and watch me front for? Where you come out here for? You watch your pooms? There I work me there for my job. You don't even have no money, can't give me nothing. Where you come out here and watch me for? My food you want to stop? Man, go on in your yard, man. Go on.
Sorry, let me sit here there on here, though. Eh?
Where you watch me for?
You know, me did expect better from you still, but me never really expect much better. Because you're not nothing good. Anyways, we come around to make you know, say, I have money now, I work here now, and a surprise, maybe a surprise you and come take it out. But I come around and say, I move like you're a clown, have money in your ears. Eh? But I'm a dirty boy too, you have in your ears. I don't run and say, man, a style I want to style me. But because me in a work, I make a deal with me some way. But now I have money now. I'm gone on business. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. I mean, what me a be a suffer?
Stop being.
We make a deal. Yeah, easy yourself, man.
Stop being.
Yeah, I mean, what I mean. Talk to him.
Always do that for you.
Talk to him. Always do that for who? Always do that for who?
You.
Yeah, leech.
How?
Leech.
Not even interested
Yo,
in
just...
them. No.
That's man, I'll leave me alone, man. Yeah, yeah, man, you're a cocoa brain.
So, why you did I say no? The PM no mind.
Who, him?
Yes.
Him is not my problem.
So, what your problem?
You is my problem.
How?
When I was looking you right here, you were all over him. I understand, but let me tell you the real truth. I ain't got in my hands. I am poor. I just pretend to be rich to get girls. And if he has the money there, and you diss him like that, what would you do with a poor nigga like me?
You have money, you even have no money.
I'm not Ricky Jackson's son. I don't have a mansion. I have a boat house. You willing to live with me?
Of course, more than Philip. No, I don't want to board house, which but you don't have no board house.
Me say, Mama, a board house me have. Gunshot can take me to it. So, if you don't want me when they poor, I just tell me the truth. But me broke.
Well, too bad for you and too bad for who? Me no want no broke man. That's why me left him. Sir, take a time and go and do. Come out to the people them bar. Ring out and ring out.
Listen before me leave here. You push me out, I won't come back, but this is a lesson. He was poor, now he has money. See where you're there now? You're in the bar, man touching your productive.
Wait, sir, me don't want this. Hey, don't come back at the people them place. Yeah, don't come back here. I don't want this. You go on.
Babes! Honey!
Hello. Don't do that. You know the man move out.
I lie, yeah, tell that your friend you pick up for you.
He move out. Me so move out. Me run with my woman. You know where I go.
Let me tell you something. Me and the man no left. I come if you come out of people's business. Me and the man go on a break. Oh, you reaching a relationship.
Yes, a break up.
Oh, you're reaching a relationship. Me give the man some space for him better in life. I know you tell me say life better.
And the man life better and give you a yard of space.
Shut up, you're with shame.
Jaja.
Yeah, woman?
One little piece of something you couldn't wall out.
What you know about me and him? What you there when me and him over here night time? Hungry, when we belly full of me and him. Where you so love? Why you so love?
Sir, my lady go in the house. Give lady pace.
I have fire woman, where you go?
Other woman live. It's not your man, please, sir.
Excuse me, get before me push it down.
Push down who? You don't know fire. Bunny down, the Rasta man.
You can't dash some piece for her. Eh?
Miss Fire, look here. I'm going to have to diss you in this.
Miss Fire, move out how long now?
Do not tell her. Do not, Tavisha.
I was talking again, I swear me remember.
You get rich with you?
You fat girl.
Do not tell her.
You have money like goat shit.
Therefore, give me information.
Let me tell them. You think that,
Shut up now! Shut up!
Girl.
Look here. You know Dazzling?
Yes.
The gate is coming today?
Yeah.
You just go straight in. You go see one green and white house. Upstairs and downstairs. Concrete. And the grill up.
You sure that the house there the color? Alright then. You're enough. The man are going with things.
You have enough money, girl.
Thank you very much for that information there. You want to lie down side of it since we business so boy.
Lie down side of who? I don't want to catch.
Thank you very much, love.
I don't want to catch flea.
Make sure that you want to tell me man coming to coming back if you go there.
Lock your door, lady. Lock your door. All fat.
Okay, I go on the road tonight.
Where you want exactly?
I don't know. I want to go somewhere. Like on the beach.
Give me more for the next hour for the rest of.
So long.
Alright, half an hour.
Babes!
Hold on.
What you mean now this and the door lock?
Chantel, how you have your Chantel?
So you don't let me in?
No, give up. No, people here.
Ready. What you mean? But so what kind of disrespect this?
Woman them there.
You're mad. Open up your door.
Hello.
Open your door now.
Listen, man, say. Nobody had it tonight. You're the day here and you choose to leave.
I never tell her to go nowhere. You understand? And plus, who you find yourself? Where you find somebody?
No worry yourself. What kind of disrespect this?
Babes at the door now, man.
You mean I say? When they are peaceful and you choose to leave, and you choose to leave, you have to stay gone.
You're mad.
Look
You're mad.
Look inside. You know, see what you see?
That not nothing to do with me. Me think you know me. Pay me off and me go back to country then. I look like things are going me. Here me know say things are going for you. Give me money.
Chantel.
Come man, give me.
Yeah.
And a little bit of hungry me beer with you. And a little bit of hungry me beer with you.
I never dog them out. My dog them bite you.
Come man.
Sorry your foot.
Ah. Fire. 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 Two woman, not even one. I only have dry shit in your... Think a little bit of hungry me beer with your boy. You can hype up yourself. Just know say me a come back, here? You know, don't you suck on me a come back.
No, not for that shit.
Me a come back. Fire.
Yeah.
Not all.
Yo, one whatever, man. You come face before.
Give me my money I'm use buy grocery. Alright, money done. Alright, fire.